Welcome to the best picks. The best horn bulbs is probably one of the most overlooked yet stunning additions to any garden, offering a unique blend of exotic beauty and low-maintenance care. From their trumpet-shaped blooms and vibrant hues to their surprisingly resilient nature, these bulbs provide a captivating display that will transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking spectacle. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting, planting, and caring for these magnificent flowering plants, ensuring your garden flourishes with the vibrant charm of horn bulbs. Number 5. 1PZCHR001 Classic Horn. This is the 1PZCHR001 Classic Horn, a stylish and versatile addition to any vehicle. It's perfect for adding a touch of vintage flair to your ride. It fits a wide variety of vehicles, from golf carts and boats to bicycles and motorcycles. This horn is truly universal. It's made with high-quality polished stainless steel and soft rubber for durability and a comfortable grip. You can count on it for years to come. Installation is a breeze. It's designed to fit 7, 8 or 22 mm handlebars. Get it on and start using it in minutes. You'll receive one classic horn in a 1PZ branded box. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy setup. It comes with a 90-day warranty, a money-back guarantee, and a hassle-free return policy. Buy with confidence. What we like? This horn boasts a timeless aesthetic and is built to last with high-quality materials. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. If you appreciate vintage style and need a reliable horn for various uses, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The build quality is quite tight and the bolt that holds it in place can hold tighter than a drum. Air horns are not allowed, and this horn is loud enough that it doesn't deafen everyone around you, like cow bells do. It's very good quality. Number 4. Ganen Bugle Horn. Get ready to make a statement with this stylish and durable horn. Its classic design and loud sound ensure you'll be heard. It's made from polished stainless steel, so it's resistant to rust and corrosion. The soft rubber ball is gentle on your hands and won't scratch your bike. With a length of 18 centimeters and a horn ball diameter of 5.5 centimeters, it's the ideal size for most handlebars. The mounting dimensions are 2.22 centimeters. Installing it is a breeze. Simply use a hex key or screwdriver to tighten the screws. It's easy to install and remove. This horn produces a clear, distinctive honk that will alert others to your presence. It's both safe and effective. It's not just for bikes. Use it on golf carts, boats, RVs, motorcycles, and more. Personalize your vehicle and stand out from the crowd. What we like? It's built to withstand the elements and is incredibly easy to install. You'll appreciate its loud and clear sound, ensuring you're heard. If you prioritize durability and simple setup, this horn is ideal for you. Number 3. Modengzhe Metal Bugle Horn. It comes with one red bicycle squeeze bulb bugle horn, ready to add some fun to your rides. Made from metal and rubber, it's both durable and safe for use. The materials are non-toxic, ensuring peace of mind. Simply squeeze the rubber ball to create a clear, distinctive honking sound. It's that easy to alert others. With its metal mount, it's a breeze to attach to your bike handlebars. Installation and removal are simple and quick. Please note that there may be a slight size difference due to manual measurement. The difference is approximately 1 to 3 millimeters. Order your Modengzhe Metal Bugle Horn now and enjoy safe and fun cycling. What we like? This option offers great value without compromising on quality or functionality. It's simple to install and adds a touch of fun to your ride. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable and charming horn, this one's for you. What people say? Horn has a deep tone, not squeaky, and useful as a call button for a person disabled or recovering from injuries or medical procedures. Nice, easy to install, nice loud sound. It comes with an attachment part designed for a bike. Number 2. Dodge Ram LED Kit. Transform your ride's ambience with this easy-to-install LED kit. It's a simple plug-and-play upgrade that will dramatically improve the interior lighting. Enjoy a crisp, pure white light, free from any bluish tint. This kit provides a significant improvement over the factory halogen bulbs. This kit includes 11 pieces to illuminate every corner of your cabin, from map lights to license plate lights. It's everything you need for a complete upgrade. Installation is a breeze. It's a direct replacement for your existing bulbs. Simply plug it in and enjoy the upgrade. This kit fits a wide range of Dodge Ram models, from 2009 to 2024. Check the compatibility to see if it fits your truck. It's built to last with a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Experience the difference of high-quality LED lighting. What we like? This isn't your average horn, it's a complete interior lighting upgrade for your Dodge Ram. The bright white light is error-free and installs effortlessly. If you want to modernize your Ram's interior lighting, this is your solution. Number 1. ABS bike horn. Get ready to make a statement with this retro-style bike horn. Its unique design and classic sound will turn heads wherever you go. This isn't your average bike horn. It's a stylish, eye-catching addition to your bicycle or golf cart. The green metal finish adds a touch of vintage charm. Simply squeeze the bulb to produce a loud, clear sound. It's easy to install and operate, making it perfect for riders of all ages and skill levels. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable use. You can count on it to get your message across. Perfect for bicycles and golf carts, it adds a fun, retro touch to your ride. It's sure to bring a smile to your face and others around you. Relive the charm of classic bike horns with this delightful addition to your ride. Its unique sound is sure to be a conversation starter. What we like? This horn combines classic looks with robust construction, suitable for various vehicles. It's a stylish and reliable option for those who want a bit of retro flair. If you want a durable and stylish horn for your bike or cart, this is a great option. What people say. Quality of the product and the unique sound that the horn produced. Easy to install. It's very loud, which my son loves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.